already, right, Tony? Oh yeah. Hi guys, David here. And today I'm gonna be reacting to Bunny Pool Gaming's video. I'm in this one.
Say the thing.
Okay. Bunny Pool here, and Daily Vids is recording right now.
Sorry, go.
And I wonder why does Bunny Pool have a sledgehammer? Well, I'm about to break a phone. Daniel's old phone. It has water inside it.
So it doesn't fucking work
So
anymore.
I bet, yeah, it doesn't work at all. So we're gonna fuck it up. No, please, it's an iPhone 5. And you know what I said to that?
Oh, fuck!
What you want?
Hey. Let me fucking give me some of that
No.
shit. No. Okay, fuck yeah.
Boy, I'm
Hey, wait up. Hey, do this. Hold it. It's my turn, motherfucker.
You've been doing it upside down the whole time.
No, I haven't. His brother turned did it.
It goes like this.
Look.
Hey, you hit this.
Oh
Look
my
at this.
God.
Hold on, let's pick up this phone. Beautiful, ain't it?
Let me see, get out.
Oh no, I have it upside down. I have it.
Get out.
Go. What the hell? You threw it. My turn. My turn, Daniel. And let me finish him. This is just a short video for the double upload. You know what I'm saying?
Squatting.
Ah!
What the fudge? Guys, I hit my foot. I hit my foot with the hammer. A sledgehammer. Just at one point, I'll stop it when. Oh, fuck! Did I click another video? No, I didn't. Full screen. What, Brit? Okay.
Just click the screen.
Yeah, but it's gonna get out somehow.
Wait, there. Record. Fuck the iPhone 5, bitch.
Hold it. I'll be right back.
Where are you going, Daniel? Oh my god. Dude, we're fucking savages. Look at this iPhone 5. Ain't nobody want it. Just ask people like, you want an iPhone 5? Nah. Fuck you.
Nah.
Get wrecked, son. Oh shit! He threw yogurt at it and an egg. Ew, that's disgusting. No! Hold up, let me zoom in. No, don't. He has an egg on top of it. Go.
Ready?
Go.
Even down when I grabbed the yogurt.
Oh my god.
I was freezing.
Oh my god. Come on. That's disgusting.
No, I didn't bounce in my mouth. I picked it up and then you put it in my mouth.
Why?
I don't know. It was for the video.
You picked up the egg and put it in your mouth.
Yeah, but you didn't record it because you were zoomed in.
Ew! It was inside your mouth. Oh my god. People watching. Hey, give me it. I want to do it. Oh shit.
You got it?
Yeah.
This is how you fix an iPhone.
Shit on it.
This is how you fix a knife.
What you want, bitch? What? Let's see inside you. You ain't got no balls. Look at you.
What the fuck? It had an SD.
It did have water inside it.
It had an SD. No, it's not an SD. Fuck it.
Put
This
it
is
down on
better.
the ground.
Fuck the iPhone sign.
Fuck the iPhone 5.
Ass.
What you want, Apple? What you?
Wait, give me it. This is gonna fucking sue me. No, I'm just gonna hold it. Alright, I'll be right back. Stay
I'm
there.
an idiot.
Give me the fucking iPhone.
Dude, wait, hold up. Pick it up. Pick all the pieces up. Look at this iPhone. Who wants it?
I'm gonna be
It's like link in the description. New iPhone
All you
5.
gotta do is like this video, subscribe, and
What are you doing,
comment. And
Daniel?
Okay, at this point, I hit my foot. Look at the sledgehammer.
Oh shit. You okay?
Guys, right there, I hit my foot.
Dumbass.
You dick. Oh, how long is this video right now? Whatever, dude.
Oh my god. That iPhone. What do you have in your...
Oh, fuck you.
Oh shit. Let's take a look at the subject.
Oh, ho, ho, bitches.
Ho ho ho, bitches. Santa, we did your job for you. What you want now, Santa? The Unkillable Bunnies and the Daily Vitters.
Daily videos.
Daily Vitters. Oh, we didn't do nothing. Touch the
Oh,
rainbow,
that's one of
bitch.
yours, ready?
For the views? No, don't do it. Don't do it. Come on, Daniel.
I was
Like,
about to
end
do
it,
it.
end
I
it.
told you.
I was about to jump in the
Mari.
but then you're like, oh no, we
You
didn't.
gotta shut the fuck up.
Hey,
I told
hey,
you
okay,
that
okay. Do what you want.
No,
Oh.
watch it.
Okay.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, Brian? Yes.
Okay, guys, hope you guys liked that video with Bunnypool Gaming.
Sorry, dude.
Like, comment, share, and if you're new, subscribe.
And go to my channel, subscribe to see that.
Yeah.